Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry for the lighting. We are going to be checking out the turbo flutter on this 2015 Golf, and it sounds really aggressive and really good, so I think you guys are gonna like it. So far, this car for the mod list has a muffler delete, resonator delete, and an intake. That is about it. He just got the car a little while ago, so pretty stock other than that, and it sounds really good. I think it is actually pretty loud, and the exhaust is loud as well. I'll let you guys hear it at an idle. Sounds pretty good, and I think you guys heard it. Yeah, you guys heard the muffler rev on a short I made earlier, but I'll let you guys hear the turbo flutter right now. It's pretty crazy and it sounds really good. That sounds so good. That is sick. All right, guys, I'm gonna make a short about this and let you guys hear it there too. See you guys later.